Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like Eric Cartman from South Park using ElevenLabs. Now it's very easy, so you see this voices here, you can just click on the plus icon. They do have a huge library, but when you don't find the voice, just click on the plus icon. You can actually create your own voice in under 2 minutes usually, so you just need at least 10 seconds of audio. You can easily find, Eric Cartman voice clips online. I actually used this one right here. Just download an audio and then you just drag and drop. Now, I don't know what you're trying to make Eric Cartman say, but you will see what I'm going to make it say at the end. So just watch out for that. So just drag and drop. You need at least 10 seconds of audio. So the more audio you have, the better the quality will be. So you see this one says perfect. So it has a lot of footage over 6 minutes. Make sure you toggle this one on. Remove a background noise from audio recordings and go ahead and click on next. By the way, guys, I've left a link in the description for ElevenLabs. If you want to try it out for yourself, let's see what you make it say. All right. All right. So now we just have to put a name. The label, we'll just choose English. Okay. For the language. And we have to add a description and toggle this one on. So let me add the name and a description. All right. So when you're done with all of this, just go ahead and click on Save Voice. And you're able to use text to speech, or you can even put in your own voice recording, right? And make that one sound like Eric Cartman. I'll just use the text to speech feature. Just go ahead and click on generate speech. And let's see how it will do with this one, right? So make sure you choose 11 Multilingual V2. This is the latest and most powerful model they have, the highest quality. Speed will leave it at 1, stability 50%, similarity 75%. Of course, you can make it more stable if you're generating a lot of text, 3,000, 4,000 characters. I don't know what you're trying to make it say with that much characters, but I'll leave that to you. Now, style exaggeration, keep it about 20% for this one. Okay, speaker boost, toggle this one on. And then you just go ahead and click on a generate speech. And let's see how it actually does. I'm very curious. Let's see.
Oh, ElevenLabs, it's Cartman. This better sound exactly like me, or you're just a bunch of nerds playing with wires. Fix it, or I'm suing. Seriously, respect my authority.
That was a very good job, guys. You guys also try it out. Check the link in the description. You can make any voice, you can even clone your own voice.